Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, but if you're struggling to get enough views and clicks to drive sales, the problem might lie in your SEO, search engine optimization. Many beginners overlook this powerful tool, but it's easier than you think to master. In this guide, I'll explain what SEO is, why it's essential for your affiliate marketing efforts, and show you 8 simple strategies to optimize your content for more views and sales. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization, which is the practice of enhancing your content to make it more accessible to both your audience and search engines. For affiliate marketers, this means making your videos, blogs or social media posts more visible to potential buyers searching for products in your niche. On platforms like YouTube, SEO revolves around keywords or phrases people are searching for. To give you some examples, if you're using the fitness niche, you can cater your content to include keywords about fitness gear like best fitness trackers, workout equipment reviews or affordable home gym setups might be a perfect option. If you're in the tech niche, you can use keywords like best laptops for gaming, budget smartphones or wireless earbuds comparison. By strategically placing these keywords in your content, you'll make it easier for your target audience to find your affiliate links, increasing views and even boosting sales. These elements will be crucial for SEO with regards to affiliate marketing, as it will be your secret weapon to get discovered by the right audience, so your content won't be lost in the sea of competition. You also have a better chance of ranking higher in search results to improve visibility, which can also result in more clicks and sales. It can also help to boost engagement, leading to more views and more likes, comments and shares, which are key metrics that are essential to help you grow your affiliate business. So whether you're sharing a product review, tutorial or list of recommendations, using SEO will ensure your hard work does get seen. To ensure this work gets seen, here are 8 key areas to optimize SEO for your affiliate marketing projects. The first up would be to use titles, as it is one of the first things that people will see on your videos or blog headlines. You want to make it catchy and make sure you include those keywords that you need to rank for. To give you some examples, and if you're trying to promote clothing brands, you want to implement strategies like this: 10 affordable fall outfits that you love, for example in 2026 or whatever year you're currently creating the video in. If you're in the gaming niche and if you're wanting to promote accessories, you can use a title like top gaming keyboards under $100, as this generally works well for people that have a limited budget. So you can play around with different titles and ideas, and if you're struggling to think of ideas, you can use AI platforms like ChatGPT or the like and use it to create and generate lists for you to create titles similar to what you're trying to create content around, and that way then you can use what's relevant or even tweak it to make it your own. The next area to really focus on would be thumbnails, as visuals really do matter. You want to create engaging branded thumbnails that include keywords subtly. You don't want to overflow the thumbnail with keywords or just words in general. You only want to pick between 3 and 4 words that you want to use, but make it relevant to the topic of your video. So for example, for a tech product review, a thumbnail showing the product alongside text like the top 5 gadgets of 2026 can attract clicks. You do see this across the board on other platforms and they do get views. So you can play around with it and see what will work for you. Take inspiration from other videos on other channels that you're familiar with and see what can work for you. But just always be mindful to make it your own. Put your own spin on it. The next area to look at would be file names. While it is a topic that is regarded as less important, but I think it's still worthwhile adding it into your work related process just for organisation purposes. So before uploading your video, you want to rename your video file or image to include the keywords that you're looking to rank for. For example, if it's just a generic name on your MP4 video file, you want to rebrand it and reword it under keywords based off of your niche. Like say if you're doing video games or video game products or accessories, you can add in best gaming keyboards of a particular year, best gaming keyboards under $50 or whatever. It's better just to have those practices in place, and then you can do that with every upload moving forward. The descriptions are equally one of the most important elements that you'll need to look into next, as you want to write detailed narratives that naturally incorporate keywords multiple times throughout, but you want to do it in a way that also put your own spin on it, but you also don't want to come across as being kind of like overzealous with the use of the words, because that will go against YouTube's terms of service or even other social media platforms. You don't want to completely spam keywords. You want to do it in a way that's subtle. You want to incorporate them into the narrative that makes sense. You can do this essentially by telling a story or providing a subtle brief paragraph or description of a particular product or a topic that you want to talk about. So to give you an example of this, if you're in the realm of doing skincare products, for example, and you want to promote certain accessories, you can use this narrative here. Looking for the best anti-aging serums. Check out our top picks, including products like, and then you can type in the brand name, and you can also add in perfect for reducing wrinkles and hydrating your skin. So there's multiple elements there that you can use to include a lot of those keywords. Little things like that can go a long way, especially in the future. So it will be worth your while putting in the work now. Hashtags is also another relevant element that you want to add into your videos and your posts. While it does vary on how many hashtags you can use on different platforms, on YouTube you can use between 3 or 4, but you don't want to completely spam your description box with hashtags. You want to only pick the ones that are relevant to the topic of your video. The same can be said with tags. While they're not considered as an important part or as much of an important part these days, I still think that they are a relevant element to the whole SEO process, because if you're using blogs and other websites, tags still are important and are a key focus on SEO building practices. So you want to make sure that you can use keywords that relate to the video topic, and if you're not sure of what you can use or add, just look up other videos on the platform, or on YouTube for example, or even on Google. It will give you a list of different types of phrases that people are actively searching for. You can add them into your tags box. But if you're not sure, to give you a quicker example, you can use platforms like rapidtags.io that you can see here on screen. There'll be a link to it in the description, and you can use it to generate tags very quickly, so it takes all of the thinking out of it. You don't really have to think about it at all. The simplest way to do this would be to copy your title of your video or topic of your video, paste it into the search bar, and it will generate a lot of relevant keywords or tags that you can use in your tag box. It will take away all the necessary thinking and hard work that you have to waste time on in order to think about these things. So you can just literally copy it, paste it into the box, and away you go. And it will save you a lot of time, believe me, it will. You want to also make sure that these elements are also used with the likes of your captions and transcripts, and even subtitles. You want to make sure that you check everything to make sure that the relevant keywords that you're looking to search for are included and that they're spelt correctly. You want to give yourself as many opportunities as possible in order to have your content ranked for those specific keywords. So to give you an example, if you're trying to promote, like say, camera accessories or cameras themselves, if you're using the topic around best DSLR cameras, you want to make sure that keyword is in your captions and transcripts, but that it's spelt correctly and exactly as I've mentioned here, and that it's also in a relatable way that people can understand, and that it ties in with the narrative that you're trying to get across. All of these steps can help you to improve your SEO significantly, while also helping you to reach a broader audience. But even with all of those elements in place, you want to make sure that you get other practices even set up. Yes, it does require more work, but luckily there are other tools, even AI tools nowadays, that can help to simplify the process. Now you can use video editors like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, and even your current ones like Premiere Pro, Filmora, whichever ones you're using, but there are online browser-based platforms that can help you to simplify the process even quicker, as you can take what you already have and just help to simplify it, and you can even repurpose it into shorter form clips. There are a load of AI based tools online that I've seen in recent times that do this quite well, one of them being Nexus Clips, but there are a load of others that will cut down your videos and take the best parts from them and put them into shorter clips that you can use for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or whatever platforms you're posting content on, and you can use the traffic that you gain from that to send to your long form videos on YouTube that can help you to promote your affiliate products, create better engagement, and potentially even make more sales. But even on the platforms in question, in many cases, depending on the platform itself, you can also add affiliate links to the products that you're trying to promote in your descriptions or even in your bio as another alternative to try and make some sales along the way. So there's so many ways in which you can do this, but you also have to be mindful of the platforms that you're using. You have to make sure that you stick within their guidelines, as they don't allow you for spamming keywords, they don't allow you to use too many affiliate links as well. You have to be very mindful of where you place everything. Everything has to be strategic, but as long as you're mindful of that, you have a better chance of setting yourself up for success in the long term. So by implementing these SEO strategies with examples tailored to your niche, you'll definitely be able to maximize your content's potential to attract the right audience, drive more clicks to your affiliate links, and ultimately increase your sales. If you find these elements to be helpful, you can let us know down in the comments below, and if you want more advice on learning even more tips about improving your affiliate marketing strategies, then you can check out this next video.